So we're on Lough Ramor here, the harbour of Lough Ramor. We've got 5 young people from Darndale, and we brought them here to catch as many fish as possible, to teach them a bit about fishing. Dublin Angling Initiative has been going for over 20 years at this stage, and it is there to introduce the youth, the young people of Ireland, to the fishing, to fishing resource, to places they can go fishing. Lots of us are very lucky in that we get to be brought fishing by parents or uncles and aunts or whoever it may be. But there are lots of people who don't have that opportunity, so we're there to try and give them the opportunity to go fishing. Fishing is a part of it. We hope that by introducing young people to the world of fishing, you introduce them to the wider world of nature and the environment. You also hopefully get them into the ultimate mindfulness, mental health issues, all that kind of stuff. This is a great release for it.
Most people think it's weird that a girl's doing fishing, but just show them all who's the boss, really.
What would be a dream goal for you in regards to the kind of skills you have?
Catching a bigger carp. Yeah, I want to go to France to catch one, because my biggest is 14 pounds, but I want to catch a bigger one. Try to get better than my brother. Like my lake that I usually fish in is only small, so never really fish in big lakes like this. Only with the U Club if they bring us out to big lakes and all.
Why you like fishing?
Keeps me out of trouble and it's fun to do. Fish all over the world. That's my dream.
Well, do you have a country in mind?
France.
Do they do good fishing there?
Yeah, monster fish.
So we work with young people from the ages of 10 to 25. So we write programmes for them, like this is a fishing programme that we do, but we all do all types of art programmes and sports programmes. This particular programme's been going for years up in Sphere. It's really popular with the young people up there. They'd be sitting outside waiting to get in, to get on the bus, to get out, they love it. The guys from Irish Fisheries have been so facilitating for us and have taken us to amazing places, like really, really amazing places. There's such a huge contrast from where they come from and the likes of Lough Ramor here, they don't sound quiet now, but they do get to have some quiet time, It's probably my favourite activity to do with them, just because you get to be on your own with them and just have chats and and there's like a third, so they're doing something else so they can chat away and, there's some really good work done and it gives a great sense of calm, I think, too.
This is the next generation of waterkeepers, fisheries stewards, people who are going to be looking after the resource in years to come. So if we don't look after the kids now, there's going to be no one to follow us on. So this is us, this is them, this is the next generation. This is who's going to take it forward and look after, hopefully, the fishing resource in Ireland for the future.